Hi, I'm Tiffany Masterson, the founder of Drunk Elephant. You know those days when the delicate skin around your eyes can't get enough moisture? I wanted to make something that was an SOS for super dry, tired eyes. Ceramighty AF Eye Balm is a cushiony, replenishing eye treatment that deeply nourishes and strengthens the skin barrier while delivering intense moisture. A typical eye cream might have 0.5% ceramides, but we really wanted this one to provide deep, long-lasting, meaningful moisture, so we upped it to 3%, which is huge. This ceramide blend helps fill in the spaces between skin cells and gives them elasticity while strengthening the skin barrier. A 10% plant omega lipid complex is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants to soothe, moisturize, and soften skin. And we whipped the formula so it wouldn't feel heavy or greasy at all. Avena sativa, or oat kernel oil and extract, and vitamin F fatty acids moisturize skin, maintain hydration levels, and improve texture. Ceramighty can be used in the morning or evening. One pump is all you need for both eyes. Gently pat under the eyes, along the orbital bone, and on the eyelids. One of my favorite ways to use Ceramighty is to start by applying an Oh What a Night smoothie in the evening. That's 1 pump of TLC Framboos, 1 pump Behydra, and 1 pump Lala. Then I use my ring finger to gently pat Ceramighty all around my eye area. In the morning, my skin is smoother, hydrated, and more radiant. You can also mix half a pump of Ceramighty with half a pump of Shaba Complex to target fine lines, or replace Shaba with C-Tango to brighten the eye area.